It's finally happening after months of leaks, whispers, and wild speculation. And the long-awaited AirPods Pro 3 are almost here. No, this isn't just a minor refresh with a few firmware tweaks. Apple is about to drop what might be the biggest audio upgrade in its entire product history. Whether you're someone still holding on to the first-gen AirPods Pro, or someone who skipped the second-gen. Entirely because it didn't feel like a major leap, the third generation is shaping up to be a total game-changer. This time Apple isn't just refining, they're reimagining what wireless earbuds can be. Let's rewind quickly. The AirPods Pro 2 launched in 2022, brought some solid features, improved active noise cancellation, spatial audio, and the H2 chip. Later, we got a USB-C version and updates like conversation awareness, adaptive audio, and basic hearing health features. But let's be honest, the buzz faded. Many users didn't see a strong enough reason to upgrade, and sales reflected that. Apple clearly took notes, and now they're coming back with a bold answer. AirPods Pro 3. Not just with better sound, but smarter features, redesigned aesthetics, and health tech you'd expect from a smartphone. First up, the design. Say goodbye to the same old look we've had since 2019. AirPods Pro 3 is getting a full makeover. Expect a sleeker, more compact design with a shorter stem, a rounded body, and potentially a gesture-sensitive surface that replaces the old school taps and presses. The charging case is also rumored to be slimmer and smarter with Find My speaker holes. A new magnet system for MagSafe, and even a built-in lanyard loop. And this isn't just about looks. Apple's focused on better ear fit, improved mic placement for clearer calls, and even better resistance to sweat and water, ideal for fitness lovers and gym goers. Under the hood, the most exciting upgrade is the new H3 chip. This next-gen processor is expected to transform the way these earbuds sound and function. We're talking about smarter noise cancellation, even more natural transparency mode, real-time audio filtering, and enhanced spatial audio with precision head tracking. But it doesn't stop. Their H3 will also deliver lower latency, faster Siri responsiveness, and better battery efficiency across the board. In short, these buds won't just sound better, they'll actually feel smarter. Connectivity is also stepping up thanks to Bluetooth 5.4. That means ultra-low latency for smoother gaming and video streaming, longer wireless range, and more efficient power usage. Plus, support for LA audio and multi-stream capabilities means you'll be able to connect to multiple devices at once, like switching between your iPhone, Mac, and iPad without skipping a beat. But here's where it gets next level. Health tracking. Yes, AirPods Pro 3 might finally include built-in sensors to monitor your heart rate, track your body temperature, and even analyze respiratory patterns. These features have reportedly been in testing for years and could soon sync directly with the Apple Health app and Fitness Plus. It's like strapping a mini health monitor to your ears. No need to check your wrist every 5 minutes. During workouts, calls, or even sleep, your AirPods could be quietly keeping tabs on your well-being in the background. Another standout upgrade is the addition of the U2 ultra-wideband chip. With it, finding your lost AirPods will be easier than ever. Precision tracking down to the inch, indoors or out, through the Find My app basically. It's like AirTags for your ears. This chip might also allow for proximity-based unlocking or even new gesture-based controls when paired with other Apple devices. We're stepping into the future here, one earbud at a time, so when's the big reveal? Based on Apple's usual event cycle, the AirPods Pro 3 will likely debut at the iPhone event between September 9th and 11th, 2025. Pre-orders should go live that same week, the full launch around September 19th. That said, there's also a possibility of an October or November event if Apple decides to pair the launch with its new iPads and Macs. But if the rumors hold true, we'll see them drop alongside the iPhone 17 lineup and Apple Watch Series 11, making it a huge month for the Apple ecosystem. As for price, expect to pay a bit more for all these fancy features. While the current USB-C AirPods Pro to retail at around $249, the AirPods Pro 3 could start at $279 or more. That's the cost of innovation, right? However, if you can hold off a few weeks, Black Friday or holiday sales might bring that price back down to earth, possibly closer to $249 or even $2 to wrap it all up. AirPods Pro 3 are not just another Apple product, they represent a new chapter in personal tech. From audio intelligence to health integration and precision location, Apple is clearly setting the stage for a future where your earbuds are more than just speakers in your ears, they're digital companions. If you're into cutting-edge tech, wellness tracking, or just want to flex on your friends with the coolest earbuds in town, this is the upgrade worth waiting for. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next drop. And while you're here, check out our other videos on the upcoming iPhone 17 series, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and M5 MacBook Pro refresh linked right here on your end screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.